Hey guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have HMD Fusion and I want to show you how fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. To fix it, go back to the main menu, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose Settings, Family and Parental Controls. As you can see now I have PG3. To visible game or application as Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter our connect pin, and we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow unincluded underrated, confirm by save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.